Hi guys, so Meta is planning to discontinue, or they have already discontinued, running ads that could get you more likes and followers. So they are kind of replicating what they do on Instagram, where you have to do visit profile. So for Facebook, they're calling it visit page. You could also call it visit profile if you want. So viewers or visitors have to visit your page before they like. So they have to decide to like the page or not. All right. So I'm going to show you in this video how to launch an ad campaign that sends people to your Facebook page to either like or interact with your content or links you have shared on your Facebook page. So do it to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. And visit the description section to access more related resources to help you succeed in business and in advertising. So let's jump right straight in. Facebook.com/ads-manager or adsmanager.facebook.com. So make sure you've logged in your Facebook account. Do well to visit the description section to access other related videos. Next, we're going to switch to our preferred ad account. We always recommend use a business portfolio ad account. You can contact us to create one for you. So we're going to use Official Grite. So let's select that. Okay, next we'll click on create. Next we'll click on engagement. Next we'll click on continue. Make sure you select the manual engagement campaign, then you click on continue. So you can set this name to anything you prefer. So let's say we're going to give it page growth. So once you're done with that, you select. So you scroll down. We're going to use, you can use any of these. Either you select your budget at the campaign budget or the ad set budget. Then this share up, you click on this to remove it. So if your ad falls under special ad category, it's important that you indicate. So special ad category are campaigns that fall under financial products and services, employment, housing, and social issues. So election or politics. Then for the categories, in order for you to select it, you click on this drop down here. Then you select. So if you're a real estate person, you select housing. If not, we'll continue. So the ads or the brands we want to run this ad for does not fall under real estate or any of the special ad category. So you click on next. Then you could name your ad set whatever you want. So you could call it G set. Okay, 01. So now the whole magic happens in conversion. Okay, under the conversion location, you click on this drop down. Then you select, scroll down, then you click on Instagram or Facebook. Okay, so you can see, remember we told you that now you can no longer run an ad campaign that's optimized to give you page followers or page likes. So you can see page like performance goal is no longer available. To help you continue growing your audience across Instagram and Facebook, the maximum number of Instagram profile or Facebook page visits performance goal was automatically selected. Okay, so now you have to do a page visit. Okay, no longer page like, which means people have to visit your Facebook page and decide to like it or not. That's what's available. Okay, so you click on this drop down and so you can see this is it. Maximum number of page like is no longer available. So we continue with this one. So next you select the page you want to increase the followers or you want to boost the audience. Okay, so click here, then we select the page, then we search. Let's use Grite Agency. Grite Agency. So we selected Grite Agency. Scroll down. So you select. Now, if you want to focus, if you want to do both of them, you can do that. But if you want to focus on only the Facebook page, you unselect Instagram. Okay. So we just unselected Instagram. So we're focusing on Facebook page. All right. So if you also want only Instagram, you unselect Facebook page and leave only Instagram. So we leave this bid strategy highest volume so that the system will decide, except you want to go for cost per result goal. But let's go with this. Let the system decide. Over time, you can now bid if you want. Okay, so you can use any budget you want, maybe 10,000 per day, 20,000 or 5,000 per day, depending on what you want. Then preferably, I'm going to advise you to target the whole country, except maybe you want to target specific persons. We've covered other videos that talks about targeting, so we're not going to go deep into that. So here you can change your location. All right, so you come here and change your location if you want, but I'm going to be targeting the whole of Nigeria, or you could target a specific state if that's what you want. So now if you want to access other targeting, you click on further limit audience, where you could select age, interest, demography, more like detailed targeting. And you could also decide to target either male or female. But we're going to leave this in this particular video. We've covered other videos where we went deeper into targeting. All right, so you could decide to declare for ad transparency, or you skip this. You can see it's optional, so we're just going to skip this. Okay, so we're going to skip also the placement. We're not touching anything on that placement. Okay, under placement is when you select if you want your ads to show only on Facebook or only on a specific platform. So you can do that when you want to drive visits to your Instagram. Then you unselect Facebook and focus on just Instagram. But we're going to skip that for this particular video. The system will automatically prioritize Facebook. Okay, so we scroll down. You can also explore brand safety and sustainability. Then we'll click on next. Okay, so this is the ad level. So take note, the first one we started with was called campaign, or is called campaign level. This is the ad set level, and this is the ad level. So we're going to name this one. So we call it ad 01. Okay, so you can create a fresh ad or use existing posts. For this one, we're going to create an ad. Okay, then you click on setup creative. Let's use an image for this one. So you could select any creative from your page, or you can upload. If you want to upload, you click here. So you could select some of this recommendation, or you click on your page to select which of them you want to use. So let's assume we want to use this one. So we select it and click on next. Then just give it any caption. Grow with us. Okay. Then the call to action is visit page. Then you click on next. Then you could also select any of these AIs. If you're not interested, simply click on next. So those are different variations. You could also generate videos if you want, or you just click on next. So translation, you can leave this on or you turn it off. Then you click on done. So once you're done with this, you simply publish. So you're going to see that you can see visit page. All right, then we'll click on publish. So we always advise use more than one creative. I'm going to tell you what exactly that means. When you watch other videos, you're going to learn more about strategy on how to grow a successful business across Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so once the ad has been successfully published, next you click on edit. You can click on edit here or this one. They are both the same thing. So we'll click on edit. Then we duplicate. So we'll click on these three dots and duplicate. This is more like using. Okay, so we turn this off, then click on continue. Then you can say 3, 2, as much as you want. So let's just put 2. Then you click on duplicate. You can also decide to unmark this if you want. Then you click on duplicate. So the strategy of duplicating this is more like using one budget in the ad set level for different creatives. So the system we rotate it, the system is going to just play around with it and see which one is going to work best. So we'll select this one. Then click on 2. Okay, so we just named it 2 for easily. We named it 2 for easy. We named it 2 for easy identification. So we continue with the create ad. Don't forget you can also upload. So we're going to upload this time around. Okay, so let's clear all. Okay. Then click on add media. Then click on add image. You can also add a video if you want. Okay, so click on upload. We're going to upload a creative now so that you're going to see it. Okay, so pictures. So let's just use this one. Then click on open. So this one is being uploaded. Then we'll click on next. Don't forget, make sure it's selected already. Okay, so we can still use this grow with us or we change it. Then we'll click on next again. Okay, so if you want to use this AI, you could select different AI variations. Let me just select these 2 and that's all. Okay, then we'll click on next. So these are optimization, AI powered, still on beta. So if you want, you can wait for this to load up and you select them, or you ignore, then you click on next. You could also skip the translation, leave it the way it's been recommended already or selected, and you click on done. So that's it. It's very simple and straightforward. So once you're done, you simply scroll down. You could decide to turn on your trackers if you want, or you ignore. Next, you simply, okay, this is what your ad is going to look like. You will see a visit page, then click on preview to publish, then you publish. So it's very easy. This is another way to grow your Facebook followers or likes. And also visitors can explore other content on your page, and also make a purchase or contact you. Okay, so we're going to do one more. So click on the edit again. We're going to use this last one we created. Don't forget, you can always duplicate as much as possible. Same way we duplicated the first one. So we'll click here. So we'll click here, then we edit this. We'll call it 3, so you can easily identify it. We're going to add a video in the description section. We'll call it 3. I will teach you how to manage your ads using the Meta Ads Manager app and other related content for you to master. Under the Add Creative, just click on Clear. Then click on Add Media. You can also add video if you want, or click on Add Image. So you can also select your post from Instagram, any of your Instagram posts. So it mustn't be only from Facebook. Okay. So these are the ones that are available. So you could also post here. Follow us for more tips. Whatever you want to use, or you want something better, you can also select from your Facebook page if you prefer that. So let's say we're using this one. So we could use this. Then click on next. So you can see it's selected already. You can still use this grow with us, then, or you can edit it if you want. Then click on next. We'll click on next again. Click on next again. Click on done, and that's it. So it's very easy. So you could also scroll down here to preview what it looks like. Okay. So once you're done, click on preview and publish. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content like this. See you guys in our next video, and bye for now. Cheers.